In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Squarespace images. Whether you're building a stunning website or giving your current site a design refresh, images play a crucial role in creating a visually appealing and engaging experience for your visitors. Squarespace makes it easy to incorporate beautiful, professional quality images, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to browse, select, and save images directly to your Squarespace site. If you don't already have a Squarespace account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Alright, let's dive in. First, head over to Squarespace and log into your account. If you're already signed into Google and prefer a quicker option, simply click the Continue with Google button and choose the Google account linked to your Squarespace site. Once you're in, go ahead and select the link to access the specific website you want to work on. Next, we'll enter the Edit mode. To do this, locate the Edit button within your site's backend and click on it. This is where all the magic happens. You'll now be able to make changes directly to your site's content and layout. Now, let's add a new content block. Look for the option that says Add Block and click on it. This will open up a menu of different content blocks that you can add to your page. It's worth taking a moment to explore these options if you're new to Squarespace. But for today's tutorial, we're going to focus on adding an image. From the list of content blocks, select Image. This is the option that allows you to insert pictures into your site. Once you've clicked it, you'll see a small plus icon. Click on that plus icon to begin adding a new image. Now, here's where things get exciting. Instead of uploading an image from your device, let's explore Squarespace's extensive stock image library. To do this, click on the Browse Stock Images button. This will give you access to a wide range of high-quality, professional images that are perfect for elevating the design of your website. Take your time to browse through the library and find the image that best fits the theme, mood, or message of your site. Whether you're looking for vibrant landscapes, stylish product shots, or minimalistic backgrounds, Squarespace has a diverse collection to choose from. Using these stock images can save you time and ensure your site maintains a polished and professional look. Once you've found the perfect image, click on Add Image to place it on your page. You'll now see it displayed where you've added the image block. Feel free to make any adjustments to its size, alignment, or placement to ensure it fits seamlessly into your design. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Clicking the Save button is a crucial step because if you don't save, all the edits you've just made could be lost. So make sure to hit that Save button before you close out of the editor. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to save and add stunning Squarespace stock images to your website. This simple process is a great way to enhance your site's overall design and keep it looking fresh and professional. If you have any questions or need help with another Squarespace feature, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to assist. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.